Good afternoon, welcome to Hinckley in Leicestershire, and today we are at the factory visitor experience for Triumph. Now this is free to enter, which is why I'm actually filming it, because I always film like vlogs where you pay a lot of money, so I thought I'd film something that's free of charge. So come with me, let's go and have a look at the Triumph Museum here in Hinckley, Leicestershire. Yeah, mud. Let's go. Here we go, the entrance. This is at the entrance of the place, so this is welcome to the Triumph Factory Visitor. I don't know much about bikes, but I thought I'd quickly, that's a Scrambler 1200, I don't know what that means. Do you know much about bikes, Brendan? Do you know much about bikes? Do you? Mad. The whole crowd's here. Let's go.
Don't forget, Jazz, the toilets are right there.
The toilets are there. Don't forget the
female and Transformers.
Transformers. Come on. Here we go. Wow.
James Bond.
Whoa.
Yeah, James Bond dad.
James Bond on that? Bloody hell. You're mad. This is mad. This is mental. Imagine me on a bike. You're mad. Look at that. I used to drive one like that, Soph. That one. I used to do them, but mental. That game. Oh, using Triumph as a game.
1901.
1901.
The rubber is originally white. They dyed it black.
Oh wow.
Yeah, all rubber is white. They dye it black.
You just need to hold the camera and you go around with it. You need to talk.
Yes.
What is it?
There's my man.
Yeah, man. Come on.
Yeah, man. Jazzy, my man. Partner in crime.
These look like race bikes. They're old race bikes.
Yeah.
Ones. Bonneville T120 Elvis Presley limited edition. Wow. Look at that. Okay, so this is the original Great Escape, Steve McQueen Road. Come on, I'm touching it as well. Touching it, boy. And you got, what's this one?
This one's from the Hitman's Bodyguard.
Hitman's Bodyguard. It's mad how big Triumph is, isn't it? Oh look, David Beckham over there. And this is from Doctor Who, Bonneville, 2009. Please do not sit or touch the motorcycle. You have to touch it. It says please do not sit or touch the motorcycle. These look just beasts, don't they?
Tom Cruise's Mission Impossible.
This one? What?
Tom Cruise's Mission Impossible. She wants to touch it.
Yeah, like me. Trying to move it.
If you want to go back to the land of dinosaurs,
That's from Jurassic Park. And they've not even cleaned it.
no, it's used in the movie.
Oh wow. Not even been cleaned since the movie. That's mad.
Jurassic World. Get some dinosaur dust on there.
Yeah, that's mad. Not supposed to be doing that. This bike's owned by Daniel Craig. Oh yeah.
Time to die.
You're mad. Mad, isn't it? I know you're supposed to jump out. Yeah. No time to die. Mad. What's in here?
They take you up the stairs. This is the factory where they're
Oh wow. Where's Mum and that gone?
up in the lift
Are they?
with the baby.
This is literally where they make them. Oh look, they're having a team meeting down there. Huge. My days. You're mad. Great Escape. Steve McQueen. Could you work here?
No. I like being outdoors.
Yeah. Huge, isn't it? Wow. You're mad.
They're doing the factory.
That's all the motorbikes in there.
Oh, this is huge, this is. It's free of charge as well, it's mental. All the parts and components that go into a bike. I don't know why I'm reviewing a bike factory, because I have no clue about bikes at all. Just looks cool. It's nice.
Here's one made out of clay,
Wow.
just for a piece of art.
This one's made out of clay. Rocket-free clay book. I want to touch it now. Literally is all made out of clay.
And this is the rocket-free Motorbike, which is what the clay design was made on.
Is it? Wow. Muzzer. Come on.
That one was made out of pot. What, really? Yeah, it's all
I just want to get on them all and start them up. I suppose this is the processing, production, how they sort of do it.
Yeah.
Thruxton. That's the warehouse where we've just been. Look like dead bodies, don't they? Huge building. Come on. Massive, isn't it?
Oh, look at these ones. Yeah.
It's cool that it's free of charge as well.
Yeah, no,
Yeah.
it's good, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's also good that they've kept it in the town,
Yeah.
because it's history of Hinckley.
Yeah. Yeah.
Rather than some company buying it and sending it to Londanistan.
All over the world. Though. I know, just let her get on. Personalisation bits, the motocross. I love these. I did used to do this when I was younger. I love motocross bikes. Mad. Yeah, all personalised as you want. Wow. We live for the moments, for the miles and the freedom. We live for the ride. Are you mad? Come on. Should I get a Triumph, babe?
Yeah, go on then. What's the cheapest?
I don't know. I don't know.
With a sidecar.
Shop the latest car. Oh no. No. Because, yeah. Yeah, like the ride, yeah. Like the ride at Universal.
Yeah. Get a leather jacket.
Yeah, I'll get one of them and just buy a helmet and it'll look like I've got a bike, won't it?
Didn't Benny have one?
Yeah. Yeah, one of them over there. Come on. Tank. That's nice. That's what we said. 1 million. Right, it's all hanging up there. Now in the shop, you've got merchandise here. Buy a little old Triumph. Oh, that's nice, mad quality. But look at the price tag, £140. Mad.
This is what I've got.
Some gloves. How much are bike gloves? Don't know.
This one.
Mad, isn't it? Bike shoes. You can buy everything.
Mason have one of these lot.
Oh, they're nice.
It's all with his collection, isn't it?
Tops. You got here £30. That's all right. That's not bad. Some more jumpers over here. I like that one. Cool colour. That looks like a nice stylish t-shirt. Quarter zip jumper. Nice, good quality. Mad. We go over here.
That's the practice model of the Steve McQueen bike from Great Escape.
Available to buy now only for £95. Mad.
Keep the box of grass.
Yeah. Look at the helmet, the old school helmets. Oh, you can buy a tank. Get a beer in there and have a little hose come out the side of it. Got all sorts, got hats. Don't know what that's from. What's that from, this bike? Don't know. What's that bike from?
I have no idea. It's an old bike. I don't think it's a.
Oh, nothing.
It's not a bike's the star of anything specific. I stand corrected, but I don't know. I have to say, oh, it was.
I'll have to
this when
check it.
I don't know. So.
Some nice coats here. How much are the coats? Last chance to buy. Wow, £400. Wow. Protection, innit? So protection. Some of the bikes out here, look. With no wheels, obviously. As if they store them there. Mad. A mudder. Mudder than mud. Come on. That's a shop. That's what you want to buy, Grandad? One of them? That's pretty much the exhibition. Obviously it is free of charge, but if you love bikes, this is the place to come. I definitely recommend coming from all over the country to come here, really. I mean, for us it's a 2-hour drive, but this is where I'm originally from, hence why I'm up here. But cafe as well. All Triumph and Bike themed. You can get all sorts from here. You can get beers, that's what we're all into at. No, you can't get beers, just soft drinks, but yeah, you've got it all here. Cheers. You got it all here, which is muzza. So yeah, that is a very short vlog. I thought I'd put it in there because, you know, cost of living and all that. You need to come somewhere it's free. Just come here. If you like bikes anyway. If not, then we'll find something else. Love you, bye.